Hi folks, this is Tom with Edwards Yacht Sales. Today we have a 2003 Regal. This is a Regal Commodore, and it's just shy of 30 feet long overall. The beam is 8 feet 6 inches. The bridge clearance is 7 foot 2 inches. Now this one has twin Volvos in it. They are, let's see, three O's. No, excuse me, they're not. They're 5 O's. They're 5 O's. The exterior of this boat looks excellent. And we'll walk around the other side. It does have an anchor windlass. The searchlight, and it's kept under cover on a lift, so there is no bottom paint on this one. When they're not using it, it's up here. It does have a nice large swim platform back here if you want to get out here, fish, swim, dive. Let's see if we can get up under there and you can see the outdrives. And let's step on board. It does have a stainless swim ladder right here. Drops down, let's see. There you go. It's telescoping. Drops right down in the water. Of course, we're closer to the water. We're on the lift right now. Lots of room back here. Let's go inside. This boat will cruise at about 24 miles an hour at 3,000 RPM. That's just an estimated speed. It does have an ice maker right there and a little sink. It's got a Garmin 541 chart plotter and a VHF radio. Imagine you throw those throttles down, you'll probably be doing 45 miles an hour, thereabouts. See out forward there? There we go. Here's your panel back here. There is a after stateroom like lounge area, if you will. It can double as both. And the bed isn't exactly made into a V configuration here. It's actually a double. It's offset kind of. And here's your galley. Now that's a moisture absorbing device right here, and underneath here is your stove. See if we can sneak a look at that. Electric. Stainless sink. It has a microwave oven, built-in coffee pot, and older TV. It does have lighted storage cedar line for your clothing. And don't let me get you dizzy here now. I know I'm swinging this thing around. Okay. And here is your head. It's got a vacuum flush type toilet there. And you can see the shower curtain pulls on around. And your faucet will double as your shower head there. This comes off and mounts up there. Plenty of mirrors all the way around. The entire shower floor drains out. Overall, a pretty nice little boat. We advertise on about pretty close to 70 websites now, I guess. This vessel will be in hard print in several nautical magazines. Will be advertised on Yacht World, Edwards Yacht Sale, Boat Trader. But anyway, if you're interested in this little vessel, give me a call. My name is Tom, and talk to me about it. I'm very frank about the vessels that I list, so I'm going to tell you about everything about this when you call me. And if you like it and decide you want to see it, just come on out. And I'll make an appointment for you, and we'll just get out here. This boat will be real easy to see. We'll get out here and let you take a look at it. Well, thank you for coming, and have a great day. Bye-bye now.